Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make mini aloo bonda with a surprise inside. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need boiled potatoes. So take 4 medium-sized potatoes, add to your pressure cooker. Add water. Make sure that you add 50% water because if you add too much water, your boiled potatoes would become watery. Place the lid and pressure cook these for 2 whistles at medium flame. Open the lid once all the pressure of the pressure cooker is released. Peel the potatoes. At the time of peeling potatoes, you would notice that your potatoes haven't become very watery, and that's what we are looking for. So these look perfect. Do not chop them, we will directly mash them into the kadhai. Heat your kadhai and add 1 tablespoon oil. Add half teaspoon mustard, that is rai, 2 pinches of hing, asafoetida, 2 to 3 roughly chopped green chilies, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now saute till the raw smell of ginger and garlic is gone. Keep the flame between low to medium. Add turmeric, lower the flame and saute for 5 to 10 seconds. If you're using a tri-ply cookware, the paste may slightly stick to the base, but don't worry, later when you add potatoes and lower the flame, it will come off, but don't let it burn. Mash the potatoes directly into your kadhai or pan. Add some salt as per your taste. Mix well. At this time, keep the flame low, and gradually you would notice that the base would also become clean, all the masala would come off. This is ready, let's move to the next step. For the surprise stuffing, here I've got 7 to 8 red chilies. These are Byadgi varieties which are not hot but give a very nice red color. Remove the seeds to further reduce the heat of the red chilies. So these are ready to go. Heat your kadhai and add 2 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, that is zeera. Then add 3 tablespoon garlic. You don't need to chop the garlic because we're going to make a paste of it. Saute for a minute. Then add the de-seeded red chilies. Keep the flame between low to medium and saute the red chilies till they become slightly crispy and you get a nice aroma, but don't let your red chilies burn. Switch off your flame, let this mixture cool down, and after that transfer to your mixer grinder jar. First, I am not going to add any water. After first grinding, the mixture would be coarse. Scrape the sides, add a little water and make a fine paste. Next, add some salt and 1 teaspoon tamarind soaked in water. You may add lemon juice if you do not have tamarind, that is imli. Transfer the paste to the same kadhai with the remaining oil. Now cook this paste at medium flame. You might want to lower the flame in between. So cook till it thickens, leave the sides and it becomes something like this. You may use a non-stick cookware for this, but if you're using a tri-ply kadhai, don't worry, soak your utensil in water and it would come off easily. Our delicious lasan mirchi chutney is ready, which is not too hot because we have removed the seeds and we have used Byadgi variety of red chili, which is not very hot. Take a small portion of the potato mixture and fill it with a little amount of chutney. Gently pull the stuffing so that the chutney doesn't come out, and make small spheres, small bondas. Repeat the same step. Here I've got some leftover chutney which I'm going to serve the bondas with. And with this recipe you would get 14 to 15 mini sized aloo bonda. For the batter, take 1 cup gram flour, that is besan. Add around 2 pinches of turmeric. Salt as per taste. Now gradually add water. The water should be either cold or at room temperature. Make a batter of medium consistency. This looks perfect. Just before frying the bondas, add a pinch of soda. and mix for 7 to 10 seconds. Once the batter is ready, coat each bonda in the batter and drop in hot oil. Keep the flame between medium to high. You might have to switch between medium to high or maybe towards low if the oil becomes too hot. If you're not sure of how to fry, you can first fry one aloo bonda, get an idea, and similarly you can fry the rest. So fry these till these become slightly golden on the outside. Somewhat yellowish. Same way fry remaining aloo bonda. With the remaining batter, you can make some crunchy pakoda at the end. Our cute mini aloo bonda with surprise inside are very hot and ready to serve. Serve these right away. You can enjoy this snack at your tea time with a cup of tea. Or just like that. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!